If you're pregnant or trying to conceive, you've probably already heard lots of advice on what to do and maybe even more advice on what not to do. It can get confusing real quick, right? Well, today we're breaking it all down, the do's and don'ts of pregnancy. And I'm here to help you navigate through this exciting and sometimes overwhelming time with confidence. I'm Stephanie Poole, a certified doula and lactation consultant, and my goal is to empower pregnant moms to prepare for birth like a boss. If you haven't already, hit that subscribe button and stick around because we're diving into all the pregnancy essentials. Ready? Let's get it. Okay, first up, let's talk about all the things you should be doing to keep yourself and your baby healthy during pregnancy. Spoiler alert, there's a lot of good stuff in here, so you may want to grab a notebook to take some notes. Okay, so here are a few do's. The first one is do take prenatal vitamins. This one is an absolute non-negotiable, mama. Prenatal vitamins help to make sure your body get the essential nutrients both you and your baby needs. Folic acid, iron, and calcium are biggies here. In fact, folic acid, especially in early pregnancy, helps prevent birth defects. So, if you haven't started taking it yet, now is the time to get on your vitamin game. Do stay active. I know, growing a human can be exhausting, but staying active during pregnancy can actually give you more energy, help you manage your weight, and reduce your chances of developing complications like gestational diabetes. Listen, you don't have to run a marathon here. Well, unless you really want to. But just remember, regular walks, prenatal stretches, or swimming are great low-impact ways to keep moving. Do hydrate, hydrate, hydrate. Water is your best friend during pregnancy. Staying hydrated helps prevent headaches, swelling, and constipation. It's also key for maintaining healthy amniotic fluid levels. So try to keep a water bottle with you at all times and sip throughout the day. Do get plenty of sleep. Listen, I know sleep can be hard to come by, especially as your belly grows and comfort really becomes a challenge. But getting quality rest is essential for both you and baby. So try sleeping on your left side to improve circulation and invest in a body pillow to support your hips and bump. Do listen to your body. Your body is giving you signals, whether it's telling you to rest, eat more or less, or simply slow down. You have to listen. If something doesn't feel right, don't hesitate to call your healthcare provider. It's always better to be safe than sorry. All right, now for the don'ts. These are the things you'll want to avoid during pregnancy to keep yourself and your little one safe. Don't smoke or drink alcohol. This one is huge. Smoking and alcohol can lead to serious complications for your baby, including premature birth and developmental issues. So if you haven't already, now is the perfect time to quit. There are resources out there to help you if you're struggling. So don't be afraid to reach out for support. Don't overdo caffeine. I know. How can you survive without coffee, right? But the thing is, too much caffeine can lead to low birth weight or even increase the risk of miscarriage. In fact, experts recommend limiting caffeine to 200 milligrams per day, which is about one 12-ounce cup of coffee. So enjoy your morning brew, but maybe skip that afternoon latte. Don't eat certain foods. Some foods that are safe for you outside of pregnancy can be risky when you're expecting. Avoid raw or undercooked meats, sushi, unpasteurized cheeses, and deli meats. They can carry harmful bacteria like listeria, which can be dangerous for your baby. Stick to freshly cooked and well-prepared meals to keep things safe and yummy. Don't stress out. I know it's easier said than done. High stress levels during pregnancy can affect your health and even your baby's development. Find ways to manage stress, whether it's prenatal stretches, meditation, or even just taking a few deep breaths when things get overwhelming. Prioritize self-care, mama. Don't skip your prenatal appointments. These appointments are super important to make sure your pregnancy is progressing well and that your baby is healthy. Even if you feel fine, don't skip them. Your doctor or midwife is there to catch any issues early and give you peace of mind. Remember, every pregnancy is different, and while these guidelines are essential, don't forget to trust your instincts. You know your body better than anyone else. So be your own advocate and reach out for support whenever you need it. If you're feeling overwhelmed or unsure about how to prepare for your birth journey, I got you covered. My Bump to Bundle Blueprint course walks you through everything from creating your birth plan to breastfeeding like a pro. It's the ultimate guide to help you transition into motherhood with confidence. You can find the link to join below. And don't forget to share this video with another mom who could use some pregnancy guidance too. If you got value from this, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel for more tips on pregnancy, birth, and beyond. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.